Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Messes with Michelle, cleaning one mess up at a time. Thank you so much for returning, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Michelle and I'm behind the messes. If you haven't already done so, make sure you hit subscribe because I want to take you on my messy journey. I'm really excited for this video because I'm going to share with you the changes that I'm making in my cleaning routine and how I'm transitioning to going green and using safer products for the environment. On today's cleaning checklist, I have to tackle my master bedroom as well as my master ensuite. And this video is going to be like a chit chat with you so you can learn how I'm going green in my everyday cleaning routine, and hopefully you can incorporate some of the changes that I'm making into your routine as well. Comment down below and let me know if you're like me and you make your bed on the occasion time to time, or if you have to make it every single morning. Now, it's something that I would like to do, but I wake up quite early and have to run out the door, so it kind of gets put on the back burner. But when I do have the time to make the bed, I feel so nice and satisfied, and it's always nice to slide into a bed that's freshly made. So you'll probably notice it looks like I'm talking to myself in the video, but I decided to do voiceover because there was so much more background noise than expected, especially with Duke barking at the birds, so I decided to do voiceover instead. I'm using a Swiffer duster to dust my furniture. Now, this is definitely something that I have to rethink the next time that I dust. Now, I know this is not a reusable product, but I do try my best to use it multiple times before throwing it in the garbage. But I am taking the necessary steps to think of other options of what I can use to dust my furniture. If you have any suggestions, definitely comment below because I'd love to hear them. So one of my subscribers actually mentioned in my last video they want to see more green products, and I definitely take that in consideration when people make these types of comments because I think it's great to be eco-friendly and think about the environment. I know my second video that I posted, I said I was using a Mr. Clean solution, and I have been using it for years, but when someone says something to you like this, you kind of step back and think about what things I can do in my life to make things more, eco-friendly and more, earth conscious. So I'm slowly transitioning and making the small changes. Now, it does take a little bit to get out of your old habits, but I have purchased a few new things. I actually went out and bought some microfiber cloths rather than using paper towels that you'll see me using today. So I'm going to test these out for the first time. And I also have a CLR biodegradable spray. I've had this for a few months and it works really well, and it says safer choice. So I think it's a little bit better for the environment, but there's definitely more changes that I have to make. But as I said, it's just small changes that you make to make a difference, and I definitely am going to start considering other products that I'm going to be using for my cleaning. I originally purchased CLR because I have hard water and I needed something to cut through the grime on my shower glass doors, and it definitely did the trick. But when I decided to go green, I was actually pleased to know that there was a biodegradable product that was a safer choice in my cupboards already. So I knew that I was headed in the right direction on my going green journey. I'm going to link above my DIY how to make all-purpose cleaner using simple ingredients. In that video, I made cleaners for my household using simple ingredients that I already had around the house, like white vinegar, baking soda, and hydrogen peroxide. I was so pleased to find out when I did my research that all these ingredients are so versatile and they're the greener option and better for the environment. They're very versatile because there's so many benefits they have on their own, such as deodorizing, sanitizing, as well as just cutting through grease and grime. So I definitely think you should check it out and make some cleaning products for your own household, because not only are they a safer choice for your house, but they're also really cost effective. This is the second time that I'm posting this video. The original video was mistakenly deleted on my part. Now, it is a lesson learned because you should always back up your work, but I was lucky enough to find all the original clips, but I wasn't able to find the actual movie. So I was able to use all the clips and piece together another video and share with you why I'm going green. I think this is a really important video to share with you because it really shows my journey in my other videos of the steps I'm taking that I am going green in my everyday cleaning routine. I always offer hand soap beside each sink in my household. I think it's especially important to make sure you encourage people to wash their hands in today's world and to make sure that you protect yourself as well as protect others. Now, I absolutely love using Bath & Body Works foaming hand soap, and you can always find those beside my sinks. I just love all of their scents, that they're so fresh and fun. I think if I have to choose my favorite, mine is Champagne Toast. I live in Canada and we've been in winter for 6 months, and it just reminds me of warm summer nights and warm weather that is just around the corner. Comment below and let me know which scent is your favorite. Comment down below if you're just like me, who has such a hard time figuring out the best plan of action to tackle the bathtub. I always find that it's so deep and it's so hard to get every corner. I always think I just have to hop in and just clean it from the inside out, because that's the easiest way to get all the angles. As mentioned earlier, it does take a little bit of time to get out of old bad habits, and I am using a foam glass cleaner, but I am looking into making my own simple ingredient glass cleaner. That's definitely something on my to-do list and something that's going to be changing in my daily cleaning routine. We're nearing the finish line, and all I have to do is vacuum the carpets in my bedroom. Now comment below if you're like me. I just love seeing those carpet lines, and every single time I'm finished vacuuming, I try not to walk on the carpet for at least a good 5 minutes, because I just like seeing the fresh carpets and those vacuum lines. I just try to avoid putting any footprints, just because I know that it will eventually happen, but at least I'll have a good solid 5 minutes of a nice fresh looking space. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and learning the steps I'm making to go green. Now don't forget, if you love this video, to hit the like button on your way out, as well as hit subscribe, because I want to take you on my messy journey, as well as share with you more tips and tricks of how to go green in your everyday cleaning routine. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.